Hey everyone, it's KJ4YZI, as the flag said. So if you're interested in seeing what I have on that mast, that carbon fiber mast, my little fun setup for field day, here's the components. So GigaParts had sent me these like a year ago. And they're like, hey, here's the presents here, you want to make a video, whatever. That was a year ago. I think it was last field day because I had the carbon fiber mast set up with my RV at field day at the fairgrounds. This year, I'm using it in the backyard. It's just a fun time to put this together now. So we got the flag. Now, originally I was going to have some, iron-on things here. I used marker, guys, all right? Firestick makes the little flag, and Firestick makes the mast here, and the little stick, right? And this is specifically designed, I think, for the carbon fiber mast, the telescopic mast, but, so it's got the 3/8 by 24 standard, heavy-duty ferrule down here. Okay, this is not an antenna, right? Maybe it can be an antenna, who knows? It's got threads on the top, maybe you can make it an antenna. Anyway, so what happens is, you get the flag on there, right? And then you take the little Firestick strobe stick. 360-degree lens, 8-hour runtime, 4 strobe modes, 1 AA battery, aluminum anodized, right? It's just little fun things here, because people are going to ask about it. And when you turn it on, you get different modes. You get solid, and then you turn it off, right? You turn it on. Now you got blink, little red beacon. Turn it off, turn it on again. Now you got a fast blink. Turn it off, turn it on again. All right, 4 modes. I guess that's the erratic blink. So that just screws right on top of this mast here, right? Right on top. Okay, so that's blinking right there. Okay, then you take this, which is the telescopic mast topper, right? And then this heavy-duty SO239 goes through here, and this fits inside the top of the mast. Okay, and here's what you get. You get your mast here with the light on top blinking, the little KJ4YZI. You can iron on here or do whatever you want. And then this drops into the top of the mast, and away you go. Now this is it, SO239. I'm not thinking, I might test this one day to see, is this actually a CB antenna? I doubt it. But if it is, that would double as a CB antenna. Now, in the last effort here, they also had sent these. I forgot they sent these when they sent me the telescopic mast with the tripod. This is the guy ring kit for 34-foot mast, which is what I have. So this would go around different sections on that carbon fiber mast, and I can guy it with some mastrint or whatever. And yeah, so a portable setup, real fun, just stuff here. I know, someone says, oh, it's stupid. Well, do you have a flag with your call sign and a beacon on top of your mast? Comment if you do. Anyways, that's my field day topper on my mast. Watch for all these field day videos right here on HamRadioConcepts.
HamRadioConcepts is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. It's never been easier to learn about ham radio before you take the exam. And Ham Radio Prep makes it fun and guarantees your success. Visit HamRadioPrep.com. Use the code ERIC20 to instantly save 20% off every course you buy. Remember the name, HamRadioPrep.com.